Welcome back everyone. So far in the series, we have had a look at several hooks. UseState, UseEffect, UseContext, UseReducer, UseCallback, UseMemo, and UseRef. These hooks are all provided by the React library. And we have seen that these hooks are pretty much functions that can be invoked within our components. That makes you wonder, what is stopping us from creating these functions? Well, there is nothing stopping us. It is possible and even encouraged to build your own hooks by extracting component logic into reusable functions. Or in simpler terms, it is possible for anyone to create their own custom hook. A custom hook is basically a JavaScript function whose name starts with use. A custom hook can also call other hooks if required. So if you wish to, you can take advantage of the built-in hooks and then build your own hook. Now, why would you want custom hooks? It's pretty simple: to share logic between two or more components. If you're familiar with higher order components or the render props pattern, you can think of custom hooks as a simpler alternative. Now, what I want to do over the next few videos is to show you how to go about creating custom hooks. The possibilities are endless, so I just want to teach you the basics and leave the rest to your imagination. So in the next video, let's see how to create our very first custom hook.